Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily do an overlay video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and we would be overlaying this video right here, this video with the car right here. So let's just scale that right there. And yeah, so we'll be using this as a background, and this would be our foreground right here, this person that is walking. So what we're gonna do in order for us to make the car with the video background, so as you can see, it's in the bottom, so it's important to note that you pay attention here in the timeline. You want to make sure that your background is in the bottom right here, or at least your foreground is at the top of the background right there. You make sure that it's not like this. As you can see, the background, this one is at the top of my clip right here, the person that is walking, so we can't really do that. What would happen is that the background would be the person that is walking, so it would be now in reverse. So make sure that you have it right here in the timeline, and from here you can adjust your foreground. Click on your foreground and click on motion. When you go into effect controls right here, go into effect controls, click on motion, and then you can do it right here. And you can now scale it down right here by going to scale, dragging it just like this, left or right, or you can also modify the position. So the first value right here, when you modify this, is for the x-axis right here, and you can go modify is horizontal values, and for the next one is the the vertical values right here, or the y-axis right there, and you can do it like this. Or you can just simply click on motion, and you can just drag your clip right here for easier time right there. And you can do it however you'd want. And you can also go for rotation right here. You can also do it like this if you want to rotate your video right here or your image. But in my case, I'll just reset it by clicking here on the reset button. And you can also go for opacity. If you want it to be slightly more transparent, then you can also do it right here in opacity. And when you want to reset it, then you can click here on the reset parameter, and it would go back to its normal value. The same goes for the scale and the position. You can also do it just like that. And by the way, if you want to scale it by not having to scale all the sides at once, then you can click on scale. Once you click on scale, you can see the uniform scale, and you want to uncheck it. And then from here, you can just go and scale each side right here without also scaling the other sides right there. So if I scale here, the height, it won't affect the width right there. So you can also do it in uniform scale, but in my case, I'll just go and reset right there because I don't want to lose any quality. So remember, if you use uniform scale, you might lose some quality on your material. So that is basically it on how you can do a quick tutorial on the video overlay on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.